University, Ghana, innovation is at the core of our education. The Emerging Technology Center is a dynamic space where students explore cutting-edge advancements in artificial intelligence, blockchain, the Internet of Things, and more.
I'm Dr. Pius Gadusi. I'm the head of the Computer Science Department here at Lancaster University, Ghana. The Emerging Technology Center here at Lancaster University, Ghana is designed to equip students with future-ready skills. When we talk about future-ready skills, we're talking about areas in artificial intelligence, robotics, blockchain technology, AR, VR technology, cybersecurity, and cyber intelligence. We hope that most of the equipment that we have here will give the student the necessary capacity that they need to have in order to face the outside world once they are out of the school.
My name is Opemi Manon Abamitero. I'm a student here at Lancaster University, Ghana, studying computer science, and I'm in my year one. Being part of the ETC lab has given me hands-on experience with blockchain technology, helping me understand how it can be applied in finance, supply chain, and securities. The learning experience here is truly transformative.
I'm a computer science student at Lancaster University, Ghana. The ETC lab provides us with the opportunity to design and implement IoT solutions, making systems smarter and more efficient. This approach has prepared me for the evolving tech space.
We are also running an immersive program where it is not only limited to computer science students, but also law students, business students, politics students as well.
Step into the future of technology with Lancaster University, Ghana.